Mary hangs out with Elizabeth and Zechariah until she's 6 months pregnant. And then she knows she has to return home. A virgin. Pregnant. Not by her husband. Think she wanted to go back there? Think she was excited to go back there? But they had been longing for the Messiah to come for so long, and she knew she had a role to play. That she's willing to step into disgrace, that she's willing to step into shame. Her husband, Joseph, is willing to step into shame along with her, to move from place to place, to know that a king wants to kill your son. And that's love. Longing only comes from something that you love so much more than yourself. That you have loved emotionally, intellectually for so long that you can't do without. I can't do without this. What do you long for? What role are you willing to play in making sure that the people in this area, the people in your coworkers, your school, your friends, your activities, whatever it is, what role are you willing to play so that they understand that they are loved by God?